ones in the front, yeah. Put one of those on each side of the front aisle.
There's a new world coming, a new world here, a new world we living in. But didn't you hear? Remember what the king said about the least of these? We're coming up on the doorstep. Who's got the key? World's on fire. All we got is gasoline, singing in a choir like it's a hell of a scene. This ain't no Hollywood ending, where you just get up and leave. Ain't nobody driving, ain't nobody got the key.
That's the pile I was left with after we got done with the flower bed. Put everything in the flower bed. And got all the plants in, as you can see. Now it's just the detail. It's all in the detail. Sorry, I'm trying to watch my step here. But it is getting late, and let me just turn. I gotta get rid of that pile, and those rocks. I already started to. I had a big pile going that way, but that pile right there in the corner, I gotta flatten that a little bit. But there it is, guys. It's coming along. It's coming along. We had those two plants put in the ground, and then I looked over. I told my wife, we forgot one right there. I'm gonna find a place for that. That's it for today. That's the update. I didn't work on it yesterday. We just took it easy yesterday and got back to it today. And that's it. I'm gonna work on this a little bit more and then call it a night once the sun goes down. It's already after 5, so call it a night. That's it. Till the next one.